Hello guys, and welcome back to Dondondrone. And today I will show you Palalong views. Located in Barili, province of Cebu. It's about 65 kilometers away from Cebu City and 2 hours drive depending on traffic condition. The place can accommodate a big group, up to more than 20 people. It has more than 7 rooms with different sizes. Now let's check the rooms, pool area, beach area, and other amenities. This is the gate entrance from the main road. The place is a bit far from the main road, so expect a quiet and comfortable. This is the side entrance of the resort. A big gazebo facing the sea, and is the best place to watch the sunset. This is also the place where they put their karaoke machine if you wish to rent one. This is the front view of the resort. There is a small lounge area with sliding doors on each side. This side is the children's pool, and this one is for adults. And yes, they are pet friendly. Just be a responsible pet owner. This is the common lounge area and dining area with a long dining table. This is the kitchen with a huge fridge, microwave, and other cooking and dining utensils. All of them you can use for free. The place has a big air-conditioned system, flat screen TV, and free Wi-Fi. Another small lounge area with an outdoor garden. Lots of outdoor tables and chairs, and pool benches as well. They also provide a Bose sound system with free of charge. A separate lounge area if you need a private discussion area or just have fun while playing board games. There are 3 big rooms with 1 bed each. There is also a fenced half basketball court. And now, let's check the rooms upstairs. There are 4 rooms in the second floor. Equipped with a split air-conditioned system, a rocking chair, and a double-deck bed. A bathroom with 2 sinks and large mirror, hot and cold shower, cupboards and safe, and a small fridge. And on this side is the toilet. A sliding doors with blind curtains. The other 2 rooms are much likely identical with the first room, but have bigger spaces because they have 2 sets of double decks. The last room is the master's bedroom. With tables and 2 extra chairs. A rain shower, sinks, toilet, and cupboards. This is how it looks like in the 2 other rooms, with 2 sets of double decks. But before we proceed guys, there's a part 2 of this video showing the outdoor views, hanging viewing deck, the beach, and other outdoor activities. So please check the part 2 of this video to see the sunrise and sunset views with awesome and cool drone shots. Now let's proceed. This is the outdoor activity at night. Watching movies under the stars in widescreen projector. A hanging viewing deck, and of course, bonfire and marshmallows. That's it for today guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button. Don't forget to watch the part 2. And see you in my next video.